Components of motherboard, processor, BIOS, CMOS, slots, disk controllers, I/O ports, interfaces, bus, processor, register, ALU, CU. Computer operating speed is linked to speed of the system clock. PC presently come with a clock speed of more than 1 GHz. Moment of data between processor and memory is established by communication path is called bus. North bridge control of high speed components like CPU, RAM, video card. South bridge driver chipset control components slower as sound card, net card, hard disk, CD-ROM drives, USB port, SIO, BIOS, etc. BIOS. It performs on power on self-test. It checks the hardware and function properly. Invoke the bootstrap loader to load the operating systems into memory. CMOS small lithium ion battery to store the data, time and updating. Slots increased performance. ISA slots modem and input devices. PSI slots graphic accelerated card, sound card, internal modems, SCSI cards faster than ISA cards. AGP slot graphics accelerated card visual experience. RAM slots SIM DIM 72 pin slim slots or 268 168 pin DIM slots. Processor slot largest chip heatsink or fan. PCI Express slots faster bus architecture AGP and PCI buses. PC card, Wi-Fi card, network card and external modem. Disk controllers, hard drives controllers, floppy disk controller, hard disk drive controller 40 pin ribbon cable, floppy disk 33 wire ribbon cable. I/O ports and interface, serial port 9 pin ports, mouse and modems, parallel port 25 pin ports, printer scanners, IDE port, CD drive, floppy drive, USB ports, printer scanners, digital cameras, web cameras, speakers, PS2 port, mouse, trackball, touchpads, AGP port, graphic card video performance, SCSI port, hard disk scanner, CD-ROM drives, VGA port, 15 volts computer video, power connector, 3 prong plugged power cable, plug into wall socket, firewire port, camcorders, video equipment, 400 to 800 Mbps, 4 pin firewire 400 connector, 6 pin firewire 400 connector, 9 pin firewire 800 connector. Modem to telephone network, Ethernet port 10 MB to 100 Mbps network bandwidth. Game port connects to PC to joystick. Digital video interface video card. Sockets microphone speakers to sound card. MIDA play music. Bus CPU IO unit memory unit bus. Collection of parallel wires form a pathway to carry address data and control signals. Processor Register ALU operations performed. L1 cache memory. L2 cache memory. High speed configuration. More expensive. Memory RAM. Hard disk. Hard disk. OS. Application. Programs. RAM. RAM. OS. Application programs. ROM. Store BIOS. Check hard drive. Switch off. It's available. DRAM. Transistors, capacitors, speed 50 to 150 Mbps. SRAM 4 transistors, speed 2 to 10 nanoseconds. Speed 50 to 150 nanoseconds.